Anyways, boys, just got a friggin', oh shit, just got a friggin' drop off some mails. That stupid friggin' haircut and Robotronix friggin' thing's got to go back to the Amazonians. It was like the knockoff Flowbee, so I ordered the actual Flowbee. It's about the same price, but this one comes with a built-in vacuum, so you don't have to like use, you know, the old ladies. So I figured that would save me friggin' getting in trouble. But yeah, anyways, we'll check the mail here, drop this nonsense off, and got a little bit of a road trip. Oh, I got a little bit of the package. I had to pay 24 bucks for this, so hopefully it's something that I want. But Bell Mobility, boys. Wait till you see this. Gonna be a gritty coming up soon. It's a little too vulgar for YouTube's. So yeah, want to see me just friggin' snapping? Head on over to the Patreonics. Not sure when. It'll be soon though. I got she's pretty well over with now, so we'll make a gritty about it and call her Sigger. But anyways, I got a list of shit I gotta go pick up and stuff. Hopefully we get back in time. I got a undercurtain at 2 o'clock. No, thank you. Goodness. Oh, gee, tell fucking hide your weed eaters. Eh? Hide your friggin' weed eaters. You too, thank you.
Okay, let the guys out driving around. Okay. Big fan.
Big fan?
Yep.
You messing me. Just slave labor and you're relentless.
Oh yeah, you're fine. Safety first, eh?
Yeah, oh yeah. Thank you. Okay, 11 more stops. Ooh. Got my nultes and my bultes. So we got one more stop, boys. And that's the trammy dick, not the goof tram. Well, so far not the goof trammy dick, but not the dick that did the Rusty H. It's the dick that's doing the Red Dragoon. The Red Dragoon. But yeah, I'll just stop in there, see how he's making out. And yeah, back to inwoods. Got to do an undercurtain possibly, and then a little bit of a surprise. Oh, there the pricks are there. How you doing?
Pretty good, you?
Oh, not too bad. How you making out on the truck?
We didn't get our hoist is broke.
The hoist is broke?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness.
We just replaced all the locks and it's still not coming off the locks. But guys come over today. But yeah, as soon as we get this fixed, it's going
in. Still full?
Yeah. I'm gonna have a look underneath for a minute. Yeah, I know what it is.
What is it?
We didn't change the backfeed valve. So
It's the cooler's draining.
yeah, the torque, it's called torque drain. So what it does, drains everything out. It overfills your tranny because all the torque and all the fluids in the pan.
Yeah.
You fire it up, it shoots at the vent.
Yeah.
So yeah, that's probably the problem because the check ball is stuck wide open.
Yeah.
So everything's draining into your pan.
Right straight down there?
Yeah. And
With a nut onto it?
Yep, the nut, and then it screws onto that, then goes to your line.
Yeah.
That is the check ball. And if that's stuck wide open, your torque motor drains all back. Goes into your pan. That's why Chris will put those on.
Yeah. Sweet.
You change that, and then you shouldn't have a problem.
That'd be alright, eh?
Common thing people do the lines, but not that.
Yeah.
And it's screwed.
Uh-huh.
You could even take that out because they're spring loaded. Try brake cleaning it and working the ball back and forth. Because what happens, like if you broke this tranny and the clutch material and everything, right, went in that line, and jam the spring in the ball wide open.
Right on. So it might only be a $25
Yeah.
fix.
Yeah.
But what would cause the fucking thing to whine so bad in reverse? Like the second gear band is also a reverse, isn't it?
Yeah.
So
See, that's what's
put the
making-
bigger band in there, could be rubbing a little bit. Like it sounds like fucking metal on metal is what it sounds like to me. You know?
See that to me, like when you're getting that noise, it's not adjusted properly.
Yeah.
Like it's too tight up against the drum.
Yeah. It's like as soon as he, like the brand new, I paid for it, this and that, I'm standing outside, starts it up, puts it in reverse. I'm like, holy shit. It didn't seem to fizzle him at all.
Yeah.
So I was just like, oh, okay, you know, got it and drove it home. But every time I start it, like, you know, I go backing up to my trailer or whatever, and it's just crazy loud.
Yeah. See, it shouldn't be loud at all.
And it's right on. Thank you.
Talk to you next week.
Yes, sir. So by the sounds of it, you know, the trammy dick is, you know, being a goof over a $25 part. Replaces the lines, doesn't replace the ball valve. Ball valve sticks. Trammy leaks. It's not my fault. I didn't pay myself to rebuild the transmission, right? So it's not my fault. It does go like stink, but yeah, it's like it's not adjusted properly or something, like he's saying, you know, they put it in reverse and it just rubs and whines and groans something terrible. Anyways, we'll get back to inwards. We'll see if this undercurrent is going to show up there. Never messing me back, so I might just quit on. But today would be a beauty day to do an undercurrent. Fucking nice out, terrible. But anyways, I'm fucking starving. But we checked the trammy shop. We got our nuts and bolts. We did the mail. Oh, and did I show you? Oh, it's way over there. But I got one of those Wallow bots. So we'll end up doing a review on one of those. See them on Facebooks. You can see the wires and the friggin' pipes and stuff in your wall. It best friggin' work. We're about to find out. Anyways, boys, we'll get back to Inwood and smoke some cigarettes. Oh my goodness, we made her back, boys. Alright, well, we gotta go friggin'
Turn
a
right
little
onto
road trip
Courtright
there.
line.
Apparently we gotta turn right on Courtright line. That'd be awesome. Holy cigarettes. Friggin' trailer. Your trailer tipped over, bud. What happened? Looks like the axle busted off, tipped over, dumped all his kernels out onto the friggin' stovepipe. Okay. This is how you bust the lights off in fucking jail too. You just get your shirt, just work it in the corner. And then you can get that whole corner out. So are you just hot rodding and she popped?
Actually, I kind of made the mistake of trying to save money and trying to do the oil changes myself.
Oh, goodness gracious.
But Walmart told me to put this much amount of oil in, but yet it would only handle this much amount of oil. So yeah, I kind of finally went. Is that camera for your protection?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, hi, whoever is.
Don't want to get Tim Bosma, do you know what I mean?
Yeah. I mean, I've done it with the end of a fishing pole before, believe it or not.
Yeah. Decent.
You know where my sunglasses went?
Oh goodness, there's a mouse. Huh? Careful.
Yeah.
No, I didn't see him.
Good.
Did you have him on you?
No, I put them right there. Oh, nope, no, never mind. I'm sorry, they're right here.
That should do. Back brakes are seized up too. Hard as you can. Ah, beauty. That's how you do her, buds. Oh my goodness. You got the ownership? Do you got the ownership?
Oh, yeah.
Let's shut the hood. Stamp some of the dog shit off my boots. Oh, just devastation. There's a little moisture in there. Oh, goodness gracious. Look at the chooch over there. Holy suffering. What the fuck? Well, anyways, boys, we friggin' made her back. Friggin' decent peony, eh? What do you think of that? It's my first Jeep. It's my Jeep, my new one. 4-wheel drive. Don't have the key. Of course. Got the ownership though. Don't need no stinking key. But a little crusty, but not even too bad. There's totally some good parts. Fenders, friggin' hood, windows. Bring new spare tire on. What? Fucking deck. Got some other shit going down. Fucking right. Trailer hitch. Aluminum wheels. Friggin' Scorsese, boys. My first Jeep. I'm a real boy. But anyways, got to be almost how much or something. Picked up another hair set today at Crappy Tire too. They're little blowguns. They seem to grow legs in inwood now. All of a sudden, friggin', it's pretty awesome. But call her Sigurd for today. I got some other shit to do, but friggin' Dee's Peony picked up the bolts for the 83 so we could finish bolting in the friggin' tranny mount. Yeah, kind of a bullshit day, but I got a lot of gritty running around that I needed done, I guess, so it doesn't do itself. Hey, but yeah, I guess now I'm a Jeep dick. If you want to meet up on Grindr or something, friggin' just send me a message. We could meet on the internet, probably. But speaking of meeting on the internet, friggin' if you head on over to onepickup.com, we got big friggin' sales extravaganza still going on. Terrible, and 10 to 25% off everything in the store. And if you act now and you friggin' proceed quickly, you can get yourself a dirty friggin' last call on the too muchy shirts and draw cocks on them and fucking, oh, it'll be hilarious. But and after today's little escapade, I decided we'll put this kit in the truck there, and then we'll be able to bust into whatever. That's probably a good idea. Hey, Pugwin, you fucking big dumb goof. Anyways, if you like Pugwin Jeep Dick, how about you finger flash that like button. If you missed a couple of bitches from earlier, but anyways, there you go, another dick of Pugwin.
I'll have to watch us get you.